Imagine a bolt no bigger than your thumb hurtling through space at 17,500 miles per hour. That's actually faster than a speeding bullet, and it's just one of millions of pieces of space debris circling our planet right now. From defunct satellites to tiny flecks of paint, this orbital debris poses a serious threat to the future of space exploration. These pieces of space junk are remnants of our journey into the cosmos. Every satellite launch, every rocket stage separation, every collision in space adds to this growing cloud of debris. And the scariest part? Even the smallest piece can cause catastrophic damage. Imagine a tiny paint chip hitting the International Space Station at those speeds. It could puncture a module, causing a leak and endangering the lives of astronauts on board. Now imagine that same paint chip hitting a working satellite. It could disable vital communication systems, disrupt GPS navigation, or even knock out power grids on Earth. The reality is, we've created a cosmic speed bump course in low Earth orbit. And with every passing day, the risk of a catastrophic collision increases. This is a problem we can no longer ignore. The danger of space debris isn't just about individual collisions, it's about the potential for a chain reaction known as the Kessler Syndrome. This terrifying scenario, proposed by NASA scientist Donald Kessler back in 1978, describes a domino effect in space. Imagine one collision creating a cascade of thousands, even millions of pieces of debris. Each new piece adds to the chaos, increasing the likelihood of further collisions. This runaway effect could render entire orbital pathways unusable, effectively trapping us on Earth and limiting our access to space. The scariest part? The Kessler Syndrome isn't just a theory, it's a real possibility if we don't act soon. We've already witnessed smaller-scale versions of this phenomenon. In 2009, a defunct Russian satellite collided with an operational Iridium communications satellite, creating thousands of new pieces of debris. This event, along with other accidental and intentional satellite destructions, has created dense debris fields in valuable low Earth orbit zones. As we continue launching more satellites, the risk of triggering the Kessler Syndrome increases exponentially. We're standing at a tipping point, and the time to act is now. Our journey into the cosmos began with a single satellite, Sputnik, launched by the Soviet Union in 1957. It marked a pivotal moment in human history, igniting the space race and fueling our desire to explore beyond Earth. But this incredible achievement came with a hidden cost: the accumulation of space debris. Every successful launch, every failed mission, every experiment conducted in space has left behind fragments and remnants. These pieces, ranging in size from discarded rocket stages to tiny metal shards, continue to orbit our planet at incredible speeds, posing an ever-growing hazard to active satellites and future space endeavors. The early days of space exploration were marked by a lack of awareness about the long-term consequences of leaving debris in orbit. But as the space around Earth became increasingly congested, the problem of space junk became impossible to ignore. By the 1990s, scientists began raising concerns about the growing threat posed by this orbital debris. Fast forward to today, and the situation has become even more critical. The rise of mega-constellations, like SpaceX's Starlink, while promising faster internet and global connectivity, is also contributing significantly to the problem. These constellations involve launching thousands of small satellites into low Earth orbit, further crowding the space around our planet and increasing the risk of collisions.